Animal shelter on the northwest side flooded in today's heavy rains. The Hope shelter houses more than 30 cats and about 10 dogs. This video of rushing water was sent to us from inside the shelter. 3 people were stuck inside during the storm, working to keep the cats and dogs dry. Executive Director Susan Scherl says the roof caved in during the rain and they'll need donations to fix it. But after Aaron Christensen posted on Facebook, the Steamy Concepts has agreed now to clean up the water for free.
Wow, that is great. And